Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Manong Jireh, with an update video mga kaunggoy about Alakmania. So, kung tinatanong nyo, nasaan na yung Alakmania, Manong? Where is Alakmania? Kailan yung Alakmania? Bumalik na yung Alak tutorials. Is Alak tutorials Alakmania? Or hiwalay na shit yun. So, Alak tutorials and Alakmania is medyo the same sila kasi Alakmania naghahalo lang kami ng alak. Alak tutorials naghahalo lang din kami ng alak. Pero ang Alakmania is ganto. Isang buong week sunod-sunod na puro alak tutorials video mga kaunggoy. Ito, nakikita nyo tong promotional poster na ito tungkol sa Alakmania. Yeah, this is the shit. Yan yung Alakmania. Ang Alak tutorials kasi is, katulad nung dati, Alak tutorials every Monday. Woo, whoop-de-fucking-do. While Alakmania is an event. Alright? It's an event. 7 days, 1 week, 7 mixes, sunod-sunod. And, iba-iba yung mga host nito. Iba-iba yung mag-host ng Alakmania. Sana 7 hosts, pero hindi ko sure mga kaunggoy. Hindi ako magpa-promise na 7 hosts kasi hindi namin alam kung aabot yung mga kung aabot ng 7 hosts to. And very sad, pero I'm still praying na sana maging 7 hosts ang Alakmania. Because it's gonna be fun. Kung 7 hosts, it's gonna be fun. Pero let's get to the meat. That juicy meat. Let's get to the main course of this video. The main reason why I made this video mga kaunggoy. Bakit wala pa yung Alakmania or kailan yung Alakmania? Unahin muna natin yung kailan yung Alakmania. Oh, kailan yung Alakmania, Manong? Yay! Sasagutin mo na kami kung kailan yung Alakmania. Yay! May release date na yung Alakmania. Yay, Manong! I can't wait! I hate to be a bearer of bad news, pero mga kaunggoy, hindi namin alam kung kailan yung Alakmania. Bakit, Manong? The current HQ of G Plana Squad at the moment is very, very, very small. Ang plano kasi namin, kung gagawin namin tong Alakmania, is gagawin na naming overnight or magsistay sila sa HQ ng mga ilang araw or whatever, pero we can't fit 7 people in kung san man yung HQ ngayon. Etong current HQ it's not big enough para i-fit yung 7 people para mag-overnight sa Alakmania. Merong ngayon, may corn beef ngayon mga kaunggoy. And a small tight space, it's not safe mga kaunggoy, kaya Manong, connection ng small HQ? Lilipat kasi kami mga kaunggoy. We're gonna move to a new HQ, which is this, mga kaunggoy. Etong magiging future HQ namin. It's much bigger and much roomier and much maganda ventilation. Not like yung current HQ ngayon. Ang pangit ng ventilation mga kaunggoy. It's super hot in here. The heat in this HQ is suicide inducing. Pero the upcoming HQ, we can't wait. Manong, ba't hindi na lang kayo lumipat agad para magawa na yung Alakmania? We can't! Alam nyo kung bakit? The fucking turnover fees. Hindi kami makakalipat unless mabayaran namin yung turnover fees. Manong, magkano yung turnover fees? It's 50,000 pesos or whatever, and pinag-iipunan namin yung turnover fees at the moment. Ganto kasi yun mga kaunggoy. Hanggat hindi namin nababayaran ang turnover fees, hindi kami makakalipat sa bagong new HQ. And it's very sad, and hindi namin alam kung kailan namin marireach yung fucking 50,000 pesos na yan para mabayaran yung turnover fees. It's fucking, I don't know, it's giving me the headaches, and it's giving me the fucking What the actual fuck? Don't get me started na quarantine ngayon and yung sweldo ng tatay ni Manong is binawasan dahil sa quarantine, which sucks. So yeah, mga kaunggoy, Alakmania coming soon. It will come. Mangyayari ang Alakmania for sure. Pero ang hindi namin alam is kung kailan mangyayari tong Alakmania na ito. Kasi until hindi kami nakakalipat, hindi mangyayari ang Alakmania, mga kaunggoy. Like, we need to make lipat-lipat to the new HQ para mangyari ang Alakmania. No lipat-lipat, no Alakmania. Estimate time, I don't fucking know kung kailan kami lilipat, and that's the sad part. Walang assurance kung kailan. Pero may assurance na makakalipat kami kasi tapos na yung building, yung fucking turnover fees na lang. Pero ang sad part and yung unsure is hindi namin alam kung kailan namin ma-reach yung putang inang 50,000 pesos na yan para mabayaran yung turnover fees. What the fuck? Pero habang iniintay natin yung Alakmania, meron naman kaming mga Alak tutorials and other videos na ginagawa para sa inyo, mga kaunggoy. Mga 10 reasons videos, mga usapang videos basta mga usapang videos, mga kaunggoy. Vlogs, hindi namin alam kung kailan. Gameplay, katulad ng Among Us. Basta marami kaming mga content na gusto gawin, pero hindi namin alam kung magugustuhan nyo. Kasi pag hindi nyo nagugustuhan yung isang video, hindi dadami yung views. And that's sad. Yeah, marami kaming plano na gustong gawin na content. Stay tuned for that. And Alak tutorials is back. Alam nyo na yon. Basta more Alak tutorials in the future. This time, sana hindi na to titigil yung Alak tutorials. Like, tuloy-tuloy na to. Like, every Monday may Alak tutorials na talaga. Tuloy-tuloy na sana to. And sana tuloy-tuloy din yung ginagawa nyo na pag-like, comment, share, and subscribe, Maggle! It's all about having fun, Maggle. Like this video kung you had fun with this video. And we all know here on YouTube, it's all about having fun, Maggle. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jireh said so. Shout out sa comment of the day. Alam nyo na kung paano ma-feature sa comment of the day. So, yeah, ito yung comment of the day ngayon. Nasa screen na. Nagpe-play na rin yung awesome music na ginawa ni Rick. Shout out kay Rick sa awesome musics ngayon at mga background music ng G Plana Squad. Hashtag Salamat Rick G in the comments.